In this practical example we will continue the modeling of the structure that we are developing in this module by inserting the ladder type ladder. First we create a layer for the stairs and leave it active. Next, we will set up the ladder. In the open box, we define a name. We enter the geometry information. We select the profiles that will compose the ladder. In the tab cage we enter a name and geometry information, follow up. We confirm the settings by clicking OK. We've deactivated the layers of the guards and profiles. Since we access the settings directly through the ladder command, it is not necessary to activate it again, please note. We define the height of the ladder by selecting grips from the grid, and for the indentation of the ladder we define 150 mm. We will insert another ladder into the central tower of the platform, but first we activate the layer of the bodyguards to see where the ladder should be positioned. With the command line we draw a line to be able to better position the ladder. Observe. We activate the command and make the insertion of the ladder. Observe the result. We will use the grips of AutoCAD to stretch the bars of some bodyguards so that they approach the location of the ladder. Keep track. To select more than one grip, we hold down the Shift key. And with this we finish this practical example, where we insert ladder stairs into the structure.